Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix crashing/freezing for Clair Obscur Expedition 33 for Steam/Xbox. First, switch to DirectX 11 by adding -DX 11 in launch options to improve stability. Then temporarily disable Windows Defender real-time protection to prevent interference. Next, delete the D3D12 file and the game folder to reset graphics settings. Now verify game file integrity using Steam or Epic Games Launcher to fix corrupt files. Then update your GPU drivers to the latest version for optimal performance. Disable Steam Overlay in-game properties to reduce crashes caused by overlay conflicts. Next, lower graphics settings in-game to medium or low to reduce system strain. Run the game with administrator privileges to avoid permission-related crashes. Now ensure all installed mods are updated to their newest versions for compatibility. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below, see you in the next one.